Okay, we got the intake pipe to the turbo compressor off. Going up, take a look at the condition of the wheel and the shaft. Hopefully, I can get a good angle in there. Now, how do I get my hand in there? See what we can do. Okay, side to side, I think is radial. No play at all. Does it spin? Yeah, seems to spin pretty easily. Yeah, no resistance whatsoever. But what about in and out? So I can get a pinch on there. It's really hard without. I had a pinch on it and I was pulling it in and out, but I'm not going to be able to film it at the same time, I don't think, unless I can get back in there and show something. But yeah, it's got a little in and out play, and I'm not going to be able to show it because I'm completely blocking it with my hand. But I can pull it and push it maybe a millimeter, and you can hear it knocking when I pull and push. That's about as good as I'm gonna get.